If you have ever felt a rumbling in your stomach shortly after eating, you may have wondered whether you are lactose intolerant. Lactose is a type of sugar found in milk products. Some people are unable to digest it properly, leading to unpleasant digestive symptoms after dairy intake. As per estimate, about 90% of Asians and Africans are affected by this type of intolerance. You may be one of those. Hello viewers, welcome back to another interesting and informative video. Today we will explain all about lactose intolerance. We will know what is lactose intolerance, what are the causes, symptoms and treatment. First, let's come to know what is lactose intolerance. Lactose intolerance is a digestive disorder caused by inability to digest lactose, which is the main carbohydrate in dairy products. It's very common, affecting around 2/3 of the world's adult population at minimum. This condition occurs if your body doesn't make enough of enzyme lactase, which you need to digest lactose. People with lactose intolerance experience digestive problems when they consume dairy, which can negatively affect their quality of life. Can you develop lactose intolerance over time? Lactose is found in breast milk, and almost everyone is born with the ability to digest it. However, you can develop lactose intolerance at any age, even well into your adulthood. Several types of lactose intolerance exist, and they may be caused by different factors. However, all lactose intolerance is characterized by a deficiency in the enzyme lactase. What are the symptoms of lactose intolerance? If not managed properly, lactose intolerance may cause severe digestive problems. These problems may appear as quickly as 30 to 60 minutes after eating. The most common symptoms are bloating, abdominal cramps, gas, diarrhea, nausea. Some people also experience an urgent need to go to toilet, vomiting, lower belly pain, and constipation. What are the causes of lactose intolerance? Lactose is made up of simple sugars which require lactase to break into glucose and galactose. Your body then absorbs these into your bloodstream for energy. Without sufficient lactase, lactose moves through your gut undigested and causes digestive symptoms. There can be multiple reasons for lactase deficiency. One of it can be primary lactose intolerance, which is most common type. This is caused by a decrease in lactase production with age. Or secondary lactose intolerance, which is caused by another medical condition that affects your small intestine and reduces your ability to produce lactase. How to get dairy nutrient without consuming dairy? Dairy products, which include milk and all products made from milk, are highly nutritious. But you can follow a very healthy diet without dairy as long as you eat other foods that are high in calcium. Some good non-dairy sources of calcium include calcium fortified foods such as juice, bread and non-dairy milk like almond, soy and oat milk. We recommend you to introduce finger millet or ragi into your diet as it is extremely rich in plant-based calcium. Canned fish such as sardines and salmon are high in calcium too. Tofu, chia seed, almond and dried fig are also rich in calcium. Many plant foods such as spinach, kale and broccoli contains reasonable amount of calcium. Can you still eat dairy with lactose intolerance? All dairy foods contain lactose, but this does not mean they are completely off limit. Many people with this condition can tolerate a small amount of lactose. For example, some people can stomach a splash of milk in tea, but not the amount you would get from a bowl of cereals. Some dairy products are also naturally low in lactose when eaten in their usual portion. For instance, butter only contains trace amount of lactose. Certain cheese like Parmesan, Cheddar and Swiss cheese have very low lactose content. Generally, firm cheese are lower in lactose than soft cheese. Interestingly, Yogurt tends to cause fewer symptoms than any other type of dairy in people with lactose intolerance. This may be because of probiotics or beneficial bacteria in yogurt. That's it for today. If you like our video, don't forget to hit the like button. Subscribe to our channel to get the latest update on the videos. If you have any suggestions, write to us in the comment section. Thank you for watching. Until next time, take care.